Is it recording? Oh, sweet.
They're
Okay.
knocking down a
And now
tree.
we have Ryan and Dave
Knocking a tree down.
knocking down a tree.
Because they think they're big and strong.
This is going to end so badly.
Someone the restaurant's probably like, someone's giving us a signal. They need help. Well, I'm sure there are dozens of people who have tried to do this already.
I know, right?
Oh, we got this.
Oh my god, this thing's going down, baby.
Oh, snap. The glasses are off.
You gotta rock it. Yeah. Pull it back.
I'm gonna back up.
Yeah, we're getting a bit close.
Like one little.
Unless there's like a beehive at the top of it and they all come down like,
I need a rope.
You guys, stop.
Nope. Not leaving until this thing goes down.
I'll just leave without them.
you should.
Good troop leader doesn't abandon her troop.
Well, they're number 8 and 17, so I think we're good. We'll take 3 through 7.
You guys just don't have enough muscle, sorry.
No, you're not manly enough to be not worthy for our accompaniment.
He's gonna like shit himself.
Are you still recording this?
Yep. Are you guys done?
No.
Come on.
It's gonna be away.
Come on. We'll come back.
Oh, the tree.
We'll come back later.
Yeah.
You gotta walk back this way.
He's taking out the
Stop.
knife.
We don't have to walk back this way. It's a reservoir. We're going around it.
He's gonna break your knife.
He's gonna cut it down with a parachuting knife.
He thinks he's awesome.
This is entertaining to watch.
He breaks it. I'm not buying anyone. Core of a tree is the hardest part to cut.
As you can see, I'm gonna get him right here and stick my finger right up his quake.
Ew.
Ew.
That was wrong.
Ryan's giving up. Fresca man.
Fail.
Yeah. Gotta rock it. Yeah.
Woo!
Wow.
You guys. Oh my gosh.
Yes, we.
Run away, run away, run away.
Aftermath, hang on.
Take a seat, tree.
Oh my god, I can't believe you guys just did that.
Yes, we did. We did good. Look at this thing.
Play that music like when someone's defeated in like Pac-Man. Alright, let's leave before Park Ranger eats us.
I know, let's
Get
go.
the fuck out of here.
Ah, how do I stop recording?